This 2010 Gulfstream Kingsport 23 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulfstream is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, slide-out, oven, microwave, smoke detector, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, skylight, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2010 Gulfstream Kingsport 23 RBS is 5,419 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.